Hello, welcome back. I'm Night Scarf UK. It's been a long bank holiday weekend. I've been stripping cable. I'm going to strip this big long piece of cord here. So over the bank holiday weekend, I've been stripping shingles. Some of it's been good like number 2 copper. As you can see these bags here, some of it's been nice and shiny. So that's what I've been doing non-stop. Wow. Shouldn't take too long to run through. This was off an old, I don't know if it's a lawnmower lead or extension lead, but it's very long. This was just something I picked up out when I was night sweeping. As you can see, I've took the front off. I'll explain. I've finished running this through. So, let's look at the front panel. I took the front panel off, obviously the 3 screws here, 3 little bolts should say. So what I did is, because I've never adjusted these 2 bits here, which you just need the Allen key to use to untighten them, to retighten them, and I centered it properly, because the thin stuff I was running through, which, let me get some thin stuff, like this type of wire what I was running through was going through and wrapping itself around, so it was doing this, you know, and cuddling around underneath. So that's when I had to like take the front panel off and adjust it all, and it's been working a dream so far. So just want to see if this is cut through properly. I didn't want to do it too deep because I didn't want to cut it through to the inner sheath, the inner cable should I say. Alright. Now I don't know how to leave the front panel off, I don't know. Leave a comment. So let me know, leave it in the comments below whether should I leave it on or off. I think it looks better off myself. Snips. Sheath. There's like a hard like plastic stuff. Let's see if we can split it. Yeah. That's there. Looks like a snake skin. When the snake's in, sheds its skin. Oh, it's like tape where you have to unwind it all. Well, what I was going to do anyway was show you what I've been doing. The reason why I've been stripping is because in the bin here, this was full of cable, which when I get stripped, I don't know much, well, I don't know what the weight of it all is, but I want to get as much done as I can. I'll try and get it all stripped. It's tightened up now. This doesn't go very well, has it? That's horrible sheet, this. Take that because it's not biting, so it's tighter. Slipping. Oh, it's slipping in, so let's have a little look at it. It's quite hard to, once you've run a piece through, sometimes you just can't grip it when it goes on. Nice copper, strong bits there, nice copper there. Well, I did some more, then obviously I've done a lot more, got strip loads, I've just like pre-stripped all this, it's just easier to do. I've just been doing all this all day since bank holiday. Obviously I've like filled those 3 bags up. That end bag is from the, some of it's from the transformer and some of it's from what's been in the bin. So I've just been doing this non-stop. Just as easy as that, just keep rinse and repeat till you've got it all done. Now it may seem a bit stupid me putting it all in pre-strip, but because I've been stripping a lot of it, it would have took me longer stopping, starting, so that's why I've put it all into the box. I just find it easy doing it that way. Everyone's got their own way of stripping the copper wire. Big copper ball, yeah. have a nice big copper ball. So yeah, that's all I've been doing, guys. I know I said about the V-block, which I will be doing in my next video, that's a definite. So I do need to have a break from stripping the copper wire because I've been doing it since the weekend. Hit the subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.